Hi grade 5, this is Miss Risa. I'm showing you the screen about spell your name exercises we are going to do next week. So I put in there my name and then the movement exercises for each letter of my name. So for R, I have Russian twist. I'm going to do it 6 times, seen in the number after the movement. Inchworm 4 times, Superman 5 seconds, that would make it to 10 seconds because I have double Z. And A, arm circles 10 times. And I'm going to do it for 2 sets, the same when you're going to perform this exercise, okay? So let's start. Let's start. Russian twists. Toes up. 6. Inchworm. Standing up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Superman. Lie down on your tummy. Raise. And arm circles. Reverse. So that's it for my first set. Another set. Second set. Russian twist. Toes up. Okay, inchworm. Last one. And Superman. Ten seconds. And arm circles. Reverse. And that's it for my spell your name exercise. I can't wait to see yours next week. Good luck and enjoy!